Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahenmah. So in this video we are going to fix our beads without a rubber band, and with this method it is very simple. This method is going to save time, guys. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this video, but before you leave, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need is your needle and a thread. I prefer to go with a white so that it will be easy for me to identify the thread from the hair. So I'll put my thread in the needle, and then I'll measure the length that I prefer and then cut it. So what I'm going to do is to fix one bead into the thread that I have fixed into the needle. Like what I'm doing. So we are going to tie a knot to secure the bead on the thread. So I have secured the beads now. So I'm going to arrange the beads on the thread the way I prefer it. So I'm fixing 3 beads to each hair, so that is how I'm doing it. So if you're liking the video already, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and then subscribe. So with this method, no matter how tiny the beads space is, you can still use this method. This method is time saving. And it can fix any complicated beads, guys. So this is how I have arranged my beads. But when you arrange the beads, make sure to leave some space on top of the beads. There should be a space between the needle and the beads, and that is for a purpose. So now let's fix our first hair. So you open the space that is between the needle and the bead, and then you place the hair in between that space. I'm working with 3 beads per hair, so I will push 3 beads through that space into the hair. And this is my end product. So how do we secure the hair into how do we secure the bead into the hair? So you pull 1 bead down, and then you leave enough hair, guys. The hair that you're going to leave should be enough. Then you're going to wrap this enough hair in between the second and the last bead. Guys, if you leave enough hair, this bead is going to be fully secured. It is not going to move, it is not going to pull out, guys. It is going to last long on your hair. So let's do another illustration. So as I said earlier, if you are liking the video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Enough hair, and then you're going to wrap this hair on top of the last bead, so that is in between the second and the last bead. When you leave enough hair, your bead is going to secure very well, guys. And look at this bead. I did this method for all these beads and none removed. So thank you so much for watching the video.